Coming in from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Najma, Heptulla and GM Siddeshwara have now tendered in their resignation. So the President of India, as advised by the Prime Minister, has accepted the resignation of the following members of the Union Council of Ministers: Dr. Najma Heptulla. This was, of course, something that we were expecting at the time of the cabinet reshuffle. Also GM Siddeshwara. Further, as advised by the Prime Minister of India, the President has directed that Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi shall be assigned the independent charge of the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Babul Supriyo, the Minister of State, shall be relieved of the charge of Minister of State in the Ministry of Urban Development and Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. Babul Supriyo shall be assigned the portfolio of Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. So these are the changes that have come in. Najma Heptulla has resigned, GM Siddeshwara has resigned, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi will be assigned Minister with independent charge of the Minority Affairs portfolio, and Babul Supriyo will be relieved of the Urban Development and Housing portfolio and will now take over as the Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. So post that reshuffle, more changes being announced. This is information that's coming in from the President's office. Remember, this was the expectation that Najma Heptulla, given the age factor, would have been asked to go, and it didn't happen along with the cabinet reshuffle. It has now been announced by the government. So Najma Heptulla is gone, GM Siddeshwara is gone. There's a change of Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, and Babul Supriyo's portfolio changes as well. We'll track that story.